Hello, this is the Android Authority channel. I'm Mark. Instagram is one of today's most popular photo sharing apps for Android. With its simple interface and interactivity, Instagram offers a fun way to share photo snippets of your life to online friends. In this video, I'll show you around Instagram and show you some of the basics of using it, as well as some tips and tricks. Ready? Let's begin. The first time you run the app after installing it, you'll be asked to register or sign in. Just sign in to your account or register for a new account if you don't have one yet. You can quickly register if you have a Facebook account. Instagram will use some of your Facebook profile info, but you'll still need to specify an Instagram username and password. Upon registration, the app will also ask whether you want to follow your Facebook friends who are also Instagrammers. The app also suggests other popular users that you can follow. Right after registering or logging in, you'll see a screen like this. This is the app's main screen, also known as the Home tab. It displays all photos that you've posted or from users that you follow. These buttons are your doors to Instagram's various tabs and features. This one's the Home button. Tap this to return to the main screen or Home tab. This next one's the Explore button. It's for viewing or browsing photos from random users. The middle button is the Camera button. This opens the Camera app and is the starting point of all photo sharing on Instagram. The fourth button opens the News tab, where you can find updates from users you've followed. And this last button opens your profile page, where you can access your profile info, account statistics, settings, photos, and more. One of the biggest reasons why people use Instagram is to share interesting photos to other Instagram users. How exactly can you achieve that? You can share photos from only two sources: your existing photos in the gallery, or by capturing a new photo. To start sharing photos, this is the button to tap. This is the Instagram Advanced Camera, which is the default way to acquire photos for sharing. It's a very simple camera. You'd hardly need any guidance to use it. You can also set Instagram to use the stock Android camera app if you prefer. If you want to use an existing photo instead, you can tap this gallery icon and pick a photo from one of your albums. Let's try taking a photo. If your phone supports it, you can use tap to focus so you can easily focus on your subject. You can also turn on the flash if you like. Regardless of the photo's source, you'll have a chance to apply filters and enhancements to your photo before you can publish it to your photo feed. And now, here's a screen where all the photo enhancement happens. At the top is a row of buttons. Let's see what each one does. This one's the frame toggle. If the button looks like this, certain filters will enclose your photo inside a frame. This teardrop button is for applying the tilt shift or depth of field effect on your photo. You can choose either a radial effect to mimic shadow depth of field, a linear tilt shift, or no tilt shift. Let's try putting a tilt shift effect here. Let's try the radial blur. Try adjusting the radius like this. Looks nice, huh? What about the linear tilt shift? I can move the bars like this, or rotate it with two fingers like this. Looks nice too, eh? But the radial blur looks better, so I'll use it. This next button is for Lux. It brings out color details in your photos, effectively making them appear more vibrant. Let's see if it makes my photo better. Not quite good for this photo. I can skip Lux for now. This filter doesn't work well in all cases, especially with extremely dim or extremely bright photos. This button, as you might have guessed, is for rotating the photo. At the bottom of the photo is a row of preset photo filters. Choose one that makes your photo look awesome. If you don't want to apply a filter, choose normal from this row. The Sierra filter looks nice here, so I'll go with it. Take note that you cannot use multiple filters. Also, the filters included in Instagram are limited. If you need more, you can use third-party photo editors that can produce Instagram-compatible photos. I'm done enhancing my photo. Time to post this to my photo feed now. Tap the next button. This is the final step. On this page, you can specify a caption for your photo. You can also use hashtags in your caption to add your photo to a keyword group. Hashtags begin with the hash or pound sign. My sample photo here is cool and epic, and I'm gonna hashtag it with the keywords cool and epic. I can even weave these keywords into the caption itself. Hashtags make your photos more searchable, so use them but don't abuse them. You can also place your photo on your photo map by checking this option here. You can also provide an optional name for the location. You can even simultaneously publish the photo to other social networks like Twitter, Facebook, Tumblr, Flickr, and Foursquare. Just tap each name and sign in if needed. Finally, publish the post by tapping the green check mark at the corner. Let's see if we successfully posted my photo to my feed. Voila! The other biggest reason why people use Instagram is that they want to view interesting photos shared by other Instagram users. How do you go about viewing photos on Instagram? All of the latest photos posted by you or shared by your friends are visible on the Home tab. Just tap this button to go to the Home tab. Here, you can like photos or leave comments for their owners. You can manually refresh the Home tab by tapping the refresh button. If you find an offensive or inappropriate photo on your photo stream, this 3-dotted button will be of great help. It lets you report the inappropriate photo to Instagram. Suppose you found a really intriguing photo, and you want to find out whether the Instagrammer who posted it has other interesting photos that you can check out. What to do? Just tap the Instagrammer's profile photo or username to open the user's profile page. From there, you can see all of that user's photos. You can like or comment on the photos too. Instagram lets you discover interesting photos from users around the world. You can do this on the Explore tab. Every time you tap this refresh button up here, you'll get a new set of random photos. Open a photo by tapping its thumbnail. On the Photos page, you can like it or comment on it. You can also view the user's profile from here and follow the user. Another way to discover new photos is by doing a hashtag search from the Explore tab. Tap the search button at the upper right, then switch to the Tags tab. This works just like the keyword search. Type a keyword here, like this, and you'll get a list of hashtags containing or related to that keyword. Let's check this first hashtag, which has over 1 million photos. These are photos tagged with the #puppies tag. Also, do not include spaces in your search terms. Hashtags don't use spaces, so if you search for a keyword like this, you might not get results, but try it without spaces, like this. And voila! Whenever you view an Instagram photo, you can show that you like the photo or leave a comment for its owner, or both. Liking a photo is easy to do. Just double tap the photo or tap the heart button. The heart should light up in red. If you accidentally liked a photo, undo it by tapping the heart button so that it's no longer red. When you like photos on Instagram, the photos are placed in some kind of collection of photos that you like, all in one place so that you can easily find them. Just go to your profile page, open the settings page, and tap this. You'll see a grid of thumbnails of all the photos that you've liked. Tap a thumbnail to open a photos page. You can remove photos from this collection by unliking them one by one. Sometimes liking a photo just won't cut it. At times you just need to express how you feel about a photo. For this purpose, you can leave a comment. Just tap the text balloon button at the bottom of the comments, then type your message and hit send. Be careful when typing your comment. You can't edit your comment once you publish it, but you can delete your own comments by tapping the edit button up here and tapping the X button beside the comment that you want to remove. If you find a comment that's out of line or abusive, report it to Instagram by tapping the red warning button beside the comment. You can also hashtag a photo through your comments. This way, the photo you're commenting on will be added to the keyword that you specified. For example, I found this really cute photo and I want to tag it with the #cute keyword. This is how I'll do it. This particular photo will then be grouped together with other photos bearing the same hashtag. If you're new to Instagram, you probably don't have a lot of followers yet. You probably aren't even following anyone yet. To follow an Instagrammer means to subscribe to that Instagrammer's photo feed so that you can view the user's photos. How do you know what's going on with the people who follow you or whom you are following? Where do you look for users to follow? To get the latest buzz about your followers and those whom you're following, open the News tab. On the tab for following, you'll see news about users that you're following, including who liked whom, who got a photo to the popular page, who started following whom, and so on. The You tab is for news related to you and your photos, including friend requests, new comments, who started following you, and so on. What about looking for other users to follow? Now, there are several ways. One way is through the Explore tab, which shows you random photos. Tap a photo that interests you. Tap the user's profile picture or username to open the profile page, then tap the Follow button. Another way is to look through your friends' followers and the users that they're following. It's another possible avenue to discover other interesting folks to follow. Still another way is to search for names or usernames. This can be done by going to the Explore tab, then tapping the Search button and searching on the Users tab. For instance, to search for names or usernames with the word dog, just use it as a search term, like this. Then, from here, open an interesting profile page and follow the user from there. You can also use the search feature to search for an exact username or full name. Yet another way to find other users to follow is to use the Find Friends menu. Go to your profile page, tap the Options button here, then tap Find Friends on the list. From here, you can find possible Instagrammers from your contacts stored on your device and from your Facebook contacts. Instagram can also suggest users that you can follow. They're available from this menu. If your search results get all cluttered up and you find it messy to look at, you can clear your search history. Just go to your profile page, tap the Options button, then tap Clear Search History. The next time you go searching for usernames or tags, you won't be bothered by the past searches you've done. To check who are following you or whom you are following, go to your profile page. Near the top of your profile, you'll see statistics about your account. You'll see how many photos you've uploaded, how many users are following you, and how many people you're following. Tap the number of followers to see a list of all your followers. For example, these are my followers. These green buttons indicate users that I'm following back. These blue buttons indicate users that are following me, but whom I'm not following back. You can stop following any user just by tapping this button. To see the users that you're following, tap this box here. To stop following any one of these, just tap this green button until it turns blue. If you prefer to restrict your photos to a select crowd, you can set your photos to private so that users who wish to view your photo feed will need your approval before they can do so. To do this, open your profile page, then tap the Options button here, then the Photo Privacy menu, and finally, a check mark here. Other users will still be able to see your profile, but your photos will not be visible to anyone except those whom you approved. You'll be notified of approval requests through the News tab. To approve a request, just go to the requesting user's profile page and approve the request from there. If you don't want a certain user to follow you or view your photos, block that user. Just open the user's profile page, tap the Settings button, then choose Block User. Or, if the user in question has been spamming you, choose Report for Spam. You can unblock users in the same manner if you mistakenly block them. Managing your profile and photos is easy and simple in Instagram. To view your own photos, open your profile page. Here, all the photos you've uploaded are shown as a grid, as a photo feed, or as a photo map. In Grid View, you can open a photo by tapping its thumbnail. In Photo Feed View, your photos are arranged chronologically. It looks just like the photo feed on the Home tab, except that only your own photos are displayed. In Photo Map View, your photos are grouped according to location and are arranged on a geographic map. Zoom in on a map area to view more photo groups. Open a photo group by tapping on its thumbnail. You'll see the group's photos as a grid of thumbnails. Tap a thumbnail to view a bigger version of the photo. Tap the I button at the bottom right corner to open the Photos page. Those are the 3 ways to view your own photos from your profile page. You can also use your profile page if you want to delete photos. If you want to remove a photo for whatever reason, just tap the 3 dots button under it, then select Delete. You can do this for your own photos on your Home tab, on your profile page, and wherever else you can see the 3 dots button under your own photo. If you want, you can also share your own photo via email, Bluetooth, SMS, and more. Just tap the 3 dots button under a photo, then select Share. Adding a photo to your photo map is optional when you post a new photo. Be cautious when adding photos to your photo map because those photos may reveal your location. If you want to remove a photo from your photo map, you can easily do so. Open your photo map. Tap the Options button here at the corner, then select Edit. Tap on a photo group that you want to edit. Tap the Edit button from the pop-up balloon. You'll see thumbnails of the photos from that group. Those with check marks appear on the photo map. Tap on the thumbnail to remove it from the photo map. The thumbnail will be grayed out and the check mark will disappear. Tap this Done button here to save your changes. You'll see a warning sign asking for your confirmation. Take note that removing photos from the photo map will be permanent. You cannot manually add photos to your photo map. You can change your profile picture or display image easily. Just go to your profile page, tap on your display image, and select one item from this menu. These are self-explanatory. You can also modify other parts of your profile. Tap this link here to open the Edit Profile page. Here, you can change your display name, username, website, description, password, email, phone, and sex. Remember to tap the Save button after making changes. The Instagram app doesn't allow multiple account sign-in. So, if your brother wants to use Instagram on your device, you'll have to log out of your own account first. What to do? Go to your profile page, tap the Options button, scroll down and look for the Logout command. The Instagram app looks deceptively simple, but it has a lot of useful functions and features that make your Instagramming experience fun and easy. In this video, I've shown you not only the basics, but also several advanced uses of Instagram, as well as some tips and tricks. I hope you find the information helpful. Do you use Instagram? What do you think of the service itself? What can you say about the Instagram app for Android? Share your thoughts in the comments. For more Android guides, news, and reviews, visit AndroidAuthority.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Mark. Until next time, and remember, the power of Android is yours.